Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create a URL link for a PDF document. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open any browser on your computer or laptop. Just go on the search bar and go to Google Drive. Now just go on top left corner, click on this new icon, click on File Upload and upload the PDF from here. Alright, now just click on the file which is uploading right over here on bottom right corner. Here you will see this share icon on top left corner, top right corner. Just click on it. Now here just click on this restricted, click on this drop down arrow and select anyone with the link. Now click on copy link and done. Now you can share this link wherever you want, as simple as that. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.